All right, what's up, guys? So my daughter had my camera yesterday. She was trying to do her first garage sale solo. They didn't do too well being on a Sunday afternoon. So I'm just going to show you what I've picked up in the last couple days as far as kind of doing a little bit of scrapping and trash picking. So I picked up these rims, Super Swampers. The tires are kind of dry rotted. Big old air tank. Thought about keeping it, maybe cutting it up and making a pit or something, but just gonna get rid of it. Picked up a bunch of rims and tires. Here's another Super Swamper. Some keg. Bottom of the kegs. And just some more rims and tires. Let's see what we got here. I haven't tested it. Found it last night as well. I think this is pretty cool. Haven't seen one of these in a while. It's not perfect, but I may keep it. I don't know. I may give it to Juan. So we got. Always good when you find money. Bunch of pennies. 2,000. I'm not quite sure what this is, what this goes to. Assuming a camera. I think all this goes with it. That's pretty cool. I don't know if this is old or just, I don't know. That is pretty cool. Picked it up. Little tubing cutter. Probably keep that. Well, nothing in there. Yeah, I could always keep this. Trying to keep my Husky from getting into certain things. I don't know if this goes to like a travel trailer maybe. I don't know. Alright. Also, I don't know if that works, but if it works, I'm probably going to keep it. Never have too much lighting. Alright, I'm gonna walk around to the other side. I found some fishing rods or fishing reels. It has a broken top. Oh, Browning. It's not in bad shape. Needs a little bit of work. They look pretty old. Fork's all worn out. Sears Roebuck. How about that? Would you consider that vintage? I don't know. Texas Special Abu Garcia. It's in decent shape. There ain't no markings on this one. Man, look at this. Looks pretty old. I'm gonna have to do some online research on that. All right. So I pick these up all the time. Since I got my garden area fenced off now for my husky, I've been picking up tomato cages, plant stands, maybe used like for tomatoes or my blackberry trees I'm planting. That was cracked. Oh no, it's still good. Picked up his ice chest. Ice chests normally sell pretty quick. I may keep it, I don't know. It's a little squeegee. I don't know, I may keep that. Alright, so this is some of the scrap I picked up last night. Since I got my new trailer, well, it's new to me. It's a little bit bigger, so I can put a little bit more stuff on it. If I want to scrap more, I can. But Maytag, picked it up last night. Some bed frames. Another washer. And then I picked this up, not knowing if it works or not. So what I'll do is probably test it out when I get back from the scrapyard. But also check this out. I picked up this pull pump. Well, it's more like a spa pump. I normally pick up pumps because I pretty much sell them pretty quick whenever I find them. So I'll test it out, see if it runs, hook it over. That'd be a quick flip. And this goes to the little pressure washer. Lawnmower. Normally I can sell lawnmowers pretty quick, but this one's in bad shape. Missing a couple tires. Let me see if it has compression. Kind of iffy on the compression. And some metal bars. So I'll give you a little update on my garden. Let me walk on over there. So I finally got it all up and barricaded in my soon-to-be garden. Like I said, I found that pool net free out on the curb. It's nothing fancy. I mean, I can make it expand just a little bit. This used to be a little burn pit area I had, but now I transformed it. It's gonna be my garden area. It does have a gate, so I'll be able to keep my husky out of it, hopefully. Not too worried about my other dogs. And gotta spend some time out here when I get some days off. Work's been kind of crazy. A lot of people leaving and stuff, considering we're closing at the end of the year. So I picked those up for free from a friend. got a bar he sold. He used to use them for beer. There's my blackberry bushes. They kind of come back. I know I've kind of neglected them, but they're coming back. Thought the freeze got them. Well, with that, everybody have a good one, safe one, and till next time.